Welcome to LedgerShiftAI. In today's episode, we are diving into something huge. We're here to talk about how artificial intelligence is completely flipping the script on corporate accounting. We're talking about a shift from record keeping to becoming a core strategic partner. For the last 50 years, accounting was about looking in the rearview mirror, recording what already happened. But AI is forcing us to ask that question again. AI should not be a threat. It should serve as a catalyst transforming the entire profession, moving from a reactive manual job into something proactive and sustainably automated. Accountants are finally at the table, helping to shape the overall direction and future of the company. Let's think about it this way. AI is taking over all the laundry. The boring, tedious, day-to-day work. This frees us to focus on the creative writing and crafting the stories that the numbers tell and are legible for stakeholders to understand. When we start talking about AI, we mean a whole toolkit, starting with RPA, Robotic Process Automation. Robotic Process Automation is perfect for processing simple, repetitive stuff, like matching invoices to purchase orders. Then there's machine learning. The thing about machine learning is that it is great at spotting patterns and making predictions. Machine learning can predict cash flow forecasts with near accuracy that humans couldn't reach alone. Generative AI can help with pulling large amounts of information together and then write the first draft of financial reports. At the ground floor, this is shaking up the day-to-day work of staff accountants in a positive manner. AI can manage approximately 50% of the manual tasks accountants handle on a daily basis. Let's put this in perspective. Half the time accountants spend on tasks like data entry and reconciliations is now gone. Generative AI also has the ability to slash the month-end close by an average of 7.5 days. This means that high-level decisions will usually get made as quick as a week sooner because the information is ready faster. AI has the ability to scan invoices, pull financial data, and code it to the correct general ledger account automatically. AI also has the ability to create a flawless audit trail each and every single time data is added or updated. With a great amount of the daily foundational work on autopilot, the controller now gets a major upgrade. The controller is now being elevated to a whole new strategic level that will add so much value to the role. The controller is now transforming from being just an information provider to a true business partner and stakeholder. Instead of wasting valuable time wrestling with budgets, the controller is now modeling strategic scenarios that will make life much easier. AI can assist the controller by designing interactive dashboards for other leaders to use in their workflows for themselves. This process allows for the focus to shift from managing the process to optimizing it with ease. With AI, controllers are now becoming in-house consultants, using predictive muscle to shape outcomes. What happens to cash flow if we tweak our pricing in a competitive market environment? Which investment gives us the best shot based on current market trends and forecasts? This brings us to the CFO, whose role is morphing rapidly while directing the financial course for the organization. The role of the CFO now moves from chief accountant to chief strategist and storyteller while guiding enterprise decisions. The most critical skill for a CFO isn't just numbers, it's translation that connects insight to impact. With the assistance of AI, CFOs are now translating complex data into a story that the board and investors can act on. With the assistance of AI, CFOs are now explaining the why behind the what to align strategy, execution, and outcomes. A powerful framework for this is the 3 Ds of data storytelling in finance leadership. First, CFOs use specific details to make data feel real and credible in forecasting and planning. Second, a CFO will use AI to assist with creating a dialogue by framing information for what your audience cares about. Finally, a CFO can add a hint of drama by highlighting the stakes and major risks impacting shareholder confidence and valuation. The future of accounting is not replacement, it's partnership strengthening insight, governance, and execution. This is a powerful symbiosis between the human element and AI, transforming how finance creates value. A superpower that AI has is that it is a beast at churning through massive data sets and finding patterns. With everything that is positive about AI, it lacks common sense, context, ethics, and nuance. While AI can assist with gathering data, human professionals provide the wisdom, creative problem solving, and skepticism. While technical knowledge is the new price of entry, having soft skills and knowing when to use them will define success. The battle should not be humans versus AI. It is AI adding value to the human element, which is augmentation. An accountant that is using AI can now focus on the high-value work that really moves a business forward. It's time to step up and be ready to command the why. Thanks for tuning in to LedgerShiftAI.